It has been a severe up and down 24 hours for investors, but markets are showing signs of recovery after yesterday's big losses. Japan's #1 stock index gained more than 10% overnight after dropping 12% a day ago. The Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P futures are also up right now after they fell about 3% yesterday. So what's going on here? CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger has some answers for us. Good morning.
Good morning.
So what set off this volatility?
A confluence of factors. So we had weak corporate earnings from the likes of Starbucks, McDonald's, and even Whirlpool, who said that people aren't buying big appliances when they only when they need to, not when they want an upgrade. We also saw that the consumer under pressure, we've been talking about that we've been adding debt. We then had this big sell-off in Japan, the unwinding of this trade that we've seen go on for a long time. We had a weak jobs report, put it all together, and we have our own tropical storm, Debbie, in the markets yesterday.
So can investors expect that this market volatility will continue?
You know, I think it will. I don't know for how long. And I think that this is part of being an investor. It's sort of the price of admission. I know we hate to hear this, but, you know, when we have a big up day, a big down day, all this, I try to just say, take a deep breath. Don't try to make any big moves in these moments. Let that big guys do that and gals. They can do it all they want. You're a long-term investor. Try not to muck around because it will be a bumpy ride.
A lot of investors are worried about a possible recession, but when you look at the numbers, real consumption, non-farm payrolls, household unemployment, they are all trending higher. What does that tell you?
So I think we're still growing. We saw the economy grow by more than 2%. But, you know, we can have a recession at any moment. We don't know what triggers it. If you're really worried about a recession, try to go back, look at your expenses, try to make sure you've got 6 to 12 months of your living expenses in a safe place, pay down that credit card debt. Take a deep breath. These are normal parts of the economic and business cycle. I know it's hard. I really do. But please just try to remember, control what you can. You cannot control the markets.
We used to talk about this all the time on the street. Don't try to time the market.
No, thank you.
Jill Schlesinger with that great analysis for us. Thank you, Jill, as always.